Have you ever looked into the eyes of your dog and wondered what they're thinking? Or listened to the birds sing and wished you knew their song? For centuries, humans have dreamed of understanding animal language. It's a fascinating mystery that has captivated our imaginations. What if we could finally bridge the communication gap between humans and other species? What if technology could help us understand the secret lives of animals? Now, with the help of artificial intelligence, that dream might be closer than ever before. Understanding animal communication has always been a huge challenge. Animals don't use words like we do. Their communication is a complex mix of sounds, scents, body language, and even electrical signals. Imagine trying to understand a foreign language without a dictionary or any grammar rules. That's what it's like trying to decode animal communication. It's like trying to solve a giant, complicated puzzle without all the pieces. For years, scientists have been observing animals and recording their behavior. They've learned a lot about animal communication, but progress has been slow. It's like trying to translate a book one word at a time without understanding the context or the grammar. It's painstaking work, and it's easy to misinterpret what you're seeing and hearing. That's where AI comes in. AI is like a superpowered translator and code breaker. It can analyze massive amounts of data like animal sounds and behaviors, much faster and more accurately than humans ever could. It's like giving scientists a powerful new tool to help them decipher the language of animals. One exciting project using AI is called Nature LM. Imagine teaching a computer to understand the language of nature itself. That's what Nature LM is trying to do. It's using AI to analyze recordings of animal sounds from all over the world, from the songs of whales to the chirps of insects. By finding patterns and connections in these sounds, Nature LM could one day help us understand what animals are saying to each other. Another groundbreaking project is the Cetacean Translation Initiative, or SETI. SETI is focused on understanding sperm whales, which have complex communication systems. These whales communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls. SETI scientists are using AI to analyze these sounds and decode their meaning. They hope to create a kind of Google Translate for whales, allowing us to communicate with these intelligent creatures in a meaningful way. Section 4. Dolphins speak, AI listens, real-world examples. The impact of AI on animal communication isn't limited to research labs. It's already being used in the real world to help us understand and connect with animals in new ways. Imagine farmers who can understand the needs of their livestock just by listening to their sounds, or pet owners who can finally understand what their furry friends are trying to say. For example, AI-powered devices are being developed that can translate dog barks into different emotions like happy, sad, or angry. This technology could help pet owners better understand their dog's needs and emotions, strengthening the bond between humans and their canine companions. In zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, AI is being used to monitor animal well-being. By analyzing animal sounds and behaviors, AI can detect signs of stress, illness, or injury, allowing caretakers to intervene early and provide the best possible care. Section 5. The ethical tightrope. Using AI responsibly. While the potential of AI in animal communication is enormous, we must also proceed with caution. Just because we can use AI to talk to animals doesn't mean we always should. It's important to consider the ethical implications of our actions and use this technology responsibly. For instance, we need to make sure we don't use AI to manipulate or exploit animals in any way. We also need to be mindful of not disrupting their natural behaviors or habitats. One of the biggest concerns is consent. Animals can't tell us if they want to communicate with us or not. It's our responsibility to make sure we're not forcing interactions on them that they find stressful or uncomfortable. We must always prioritize the well-being of animals and use AI in a way that respects their autonomy and agency. Section 6. Bridging the gap. A future where we understand each other. Despite the challenges, the future of AI and animal communication is full of hope and possibility. Imagine a world where we can understand the songs of whales, the dances of bees, and the thoughts of our beloved pets. AI has the potential to revolutionize our relationship with the natural world, fostering empathy, understanding, and conservation. Imagine a world where poachers can be tracked and stopped by listening to the alarm calls of endangered animals, or a world where we can communicate with animals about the threats they face and work together to protect our planet. Section 7. A Symphony of Voices, the Promise of a Connected World. The quest to understand animal communication is about more than just words. It's about understanding different ways of experiencing the world, different forms of intelligence, and different ways of being alive. It's about recognizing the value and importance of all living creatures and our interconnectedness on this planet. AI might not give us all the answers, but it's a powerful tool that can help us unlock the secrets of animal communication. It's a journey of discovery, empathy, and wonder that has the potential to change our relationship with the animal kingdom forever. By listening to the symphony of voices in the natural world, we can create a more harmonious and compassionate future for all.